So good afternoon, we are the research team 1 from grade 11 to 1. Our topic is the impact of extracurricular activities in grade 11 STEM students. And this research aims to investigate the impact of extracurricular activities on grade 11 STEM students in Santa Lucia High School. So before we start for our lesson, ito lang sabihin sa lahat ng sasabihin ko magiging required, magiging confidential, and hindi ito makakalabasan. So what numbers do you prefer to know? Number 1, what do you think are the advantages of participating in extracurricular activities?
For me, since I am part of journalism, so this time we'll be competing for sa division. I think that the primary advantage of extracurricular activities is that I am able to hone my skills. So in terms of writing, since part nga po kami ng editorial board, from time to time, gumagawa po kami ng articles and napapublish po siya sa aming Facebook page.
Number 2, what do you think are the disadvantages of participating in extracurricular activities?
Yun nga, kapag nag-participate kasi dun sa contest, syempre kailangan mo mag-practice. So maglalaan ka ng maraming oras dito sa school. And as for me, medyo disadvantage talaga siya kasi ngayon, lalo na ngayon na may research, nagsasabay-sabay pati mo sa mga performance tasks ngayon. Wala akong enough time para gawin.
Number 3, what type of extracurricular activities are you involved in and why did you choose them?
Yun nga, I am a writer po in SNH and Education. And yun, nakita ko na choice. Since I love writing and most of the time, formal writing naman din. So, inline siya sa kung saan po.
Number 4, can you describe your responsibilities or roles that inline your extracurricular activities?
For me, I'm responsible mainly sa time ko. Especially ngayon na nag-training kami, nagpa-practice kami everyday. And responsibility and time since mas lamang yung mga ginagawang schoolworks and may iba pa akong iniintindi. Yun nga yung training ko. So, responsible ako sa kung ano yung dapat kong gawin.
Last question, what do you think is the effects in learning extracurricular activities?
I think mas lamang yung advantages for me and yung effect mismo is that I am able to critically analyze a piece or an article and evaluate it well. So I'm also able to write specific kind of writing, especially yung mga formal writing.
That's all for today.